Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar for the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
US stock indexes rose, extending gains made last week on investors betting on a greater chance of the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates this year. The benchmark S&P 500 and the tech-heavy Nasdaq hit 3-week highs. Hong Kong spot Bitcoin ETFs are far underperforming their US counterparts in the first week of launch. The 3 spot Bitcoin ETFs that launched on April the 30th in Hong Kong have attracted a total of $262 million in assets under management, the vast majority of which was subscribed to before the listing. Tesla has laid off staff from the software, service and engineering departments. The move comes after the Elon Musk-led automaker disbanded its EV charging department, following Tesla's announcement last month that it was reducing its global workforce by more than 10%.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's trade balance will be released at 6 GMT. Germany's factory orders at 6 GMT. The US 3-year note auction at 17 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 4:30 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.